If you're looking for a powerful desktop for office work, business productivity, programming, or even light content creation, the Lenovo ThinkCentre Neo 50T Gen 6 is a desktop worth considering. The ThinkCentre Neo 50T Gen 6 follows Lenovo's clean and professional business design. It has a compact tower form factor that fits easily under a desk while offering plenty of room for future upgrades. The build quality is solid, making it a great option for offices, schools, and professional workspaces where reliability matters. Powering this desktop is the Intel Core Ultra 5 225 processor, capable of boosting up to 4.9 GHz with 20 MB of cache. This new generation Intel processor not only delivers excellent performance but also includes AI acceleration, helping improve productivity in AI-supported applications. For memory, you get 16 GB DDR5-5600 MHz RAM, 512 GB PCIe Gen for NVMe SSD. Graphics are handled by Intel Integrated. One of the biggest highlights of this generation is its AI capabilities. Connectivity is one of the strongest features of the ThinkCentre Neo 50T Gen 6. On the front and rear, you'll find USB-C, 5 gigabits per second. 8 USB-A ports. HDMI 2.1 with support for 4K at 60 Hz. DisplayPort 1.4. VGA output. Gigabit Ethernet. Audio out. Headphone and microphone combo jack. The desktop comes with a 260W power supply rated at 90% energy efficiency. Up to 3 drives, 1x 3.5-inch HDD plus 2x M.2 SSD, 3.5 HDD up to 2 TB, M.2 SSD up to 1 TB each. Max memory up to 64 GB DDR5-5600 memory slots, 2 DDR5 DIMM slots, dual channel capable.